So hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this video we are going to write our first Java program. Okay, so as we speak on a previous video, we will be using VS Code to write our code. Okay, let's start. So to create a Java program, first you need to create a source file. So go to files, new files. Here give it a name with the extension of .java. Okay, so we are creating our first Java program, so we will be giving it a name as first.java. .java is the extension, and if you are creating a Java program, this extension is must. Okay, enter. So as you can see, our source file is successfully created. In this source file we are going to add a class. So what is class? Again, you don't need to understand it right now. Eventually you get to know what is class, what is methods. Okay, all the keywords I will tell you later, but for now don't need to go that deep. Okay, just copy what I'm typing. Okay, let's create let's sorry let's let's create a class. Yeah, so class, give it a name. The source file name and the class file name should be same. It's not compulsory, but you should practice it to give it the same name. First, open the bracket. In the class, we are going to add a method which will be our main method. So what is method? Again, you don't need to understand right now what is main method, what is method, but for now just understand this. Okay, execution of program always start from the main method. Okay, this can be asked in a interview question, so you must remember this. Execution of program always starts from the main method. Okay, let's create our main method. So how to create the main method in Java? This is how to create a main method in Java. So public static void main. Again, here type string. The s of string should be capital. Okay guys, string array, sorry, this square bracket is called array, and args. Args means arguments, or you can type whatever you want. It's not compulsory to type args here, but okay. In the main method we are going to write our display statement. Okay, so for display statement we will be using system.out.print. Okay, so let's print the hello world. For that, let's type our display statement. So the s of system should be capital. Okay, so system.out.print ln, let us say ln, or okay, the both will work guys. Print and println both will work. Println just add the new line after printing the value. It will go to the next line, and in the print it will just print and stop to the next position. So here type hello world, sorry, and after the statement give it a semicolon. Semicolon is important guide. Without semicolon our program will not execute. Okay, it will give us an error. So let's compile our program. So how to compile? Go to terminal, open terminal. To open terminal, go to views here. In VS Code, go to views, view, hit terminal. In terminal, we need to compile our program. So how to compile? So we need to give it a command which is javac, which will compile our program. So javac space our file name with the extension. So first dot java, enter. So as you can see, our program is successfully compiled. Okay, so now we need to execute our program. So java space, so for execution this command is used, java command is used. So java space the class name. So what is the class name? This is the class name. Okay, so first and enter. So as you can see, our program has successfully compiled and displayed the statement hello world. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.